Hey everyone, welcome back to this class. From where we stopped, we looked at the simplification of sort, but today we are going to look at rationalization of denominator. How do I mean? When you are given a fraction, like we have root 2 over x plus root 3, and the denominator contains the sort, you are to simplify this denominator such a way that the denominator will not have sort as part of the elements or numbers. What did I mean? Let's solve this. For example, root 2 x plus root 3. How do you solve this? We rationalize the denominator. That is the topic. And how do you rationalize? We now multiply it by the conjugate of this denominator. What's the conjugate? The inverse sign of the denominator expression. So we have x minus root 3 over x minus root 3. By doing that, we multiply this with this and this with this. So we have square root of 2 in brackets x minus square root of 3 divided by x plus root 3, then x minus root 3. Then we have, let's expand. We have root 2x root 2 minus root 2 times root 3 will give us what? Root 6 divided by, let's multiply our x with this. So we have x squared. X to this we have minus x root 3, then root 3 to this plus x root 3, then this to this we have plus root 3 times root 3. So we proceed on by simplifying the denominator. We have x root 2 minus root 6 divided by, this takes care of themselves. Then we have x squared. Root 3 times root 3 will give us plus 3. Reason, if you multiply root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Root 9, and that is equal to what? 3. So that simply means that when you are multiplying the same sort, a sort that have the same number, the answer is the number of the sort. For instance, root 5 multiply with root 5, the answer is 5. Root 20 multiply with root 20, the answer is what? 20. Please note that. So by doing that, we have root 3 times root 3, we have 3. So the final answer is x root 2 minus root 6 over x squared plus 3. And the reason why our answer is this is because we have done what we have to do, which is rationalize the denominator. And if you look at the denominator results, we don't have any sort at the denominator. So this is the solution of this. Let's take one example. Let's take one example. So we have root 2 over 2 root 3, root 2 minus 3 minus 3. Let's do this. Just like the way we have done that. So we have multiply the given question by the conjugate of the denominator, and that will be 2 root 2 plus 3. The conjugate simply means changing of the sign to the other one. If it is plus here, it becomes minus. If it is minus here, it becomes plus. So we have 2 root 2 plus 3. So we multiply them together. We have root 2 root 2 plus 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 3, then 2 root 2 plus 3. By expanding by opening the brackets, we have root 2 have 1 here, but if it's equal 1, so 1 times 2 give us 2. Root 2 times root 2 give us 2 times 2. So root 2 times 3 give us plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 times this. Now, we multiply number with number, that is 4. Salt with salt, root 2 times root 2, that is 2. That gives us 2 here. Then, this to this, the whole of this down to this, that's our result here, 8. Then this thing, the same thing to this. So we'll be multiplying number with number, then we include our salt. So 3 times 2, 6, root 2. Then we take minus 3 to multiply this. So we have minus 3 times 2, that is minus 6. Then we put our salt there because we are not having the salt here. So we just repeat the previous one. And then the next one, minus 3 times plus 3, that is minus 9. So doing that, let's take care of this. We are left with 2 times 2, 4 plus 3, so root 2 over 8 minus 9. And finally, we have 4 plus 3 root 2 over minus 1. It can also be written as minus open bracket 4 plus 3 root 2. This is the final answer. Thank you for being there for this class. I hope you at least gain 1 or 2 things from this class today. Remain blessed for the next class. Bye-bye.